Hello everyone, and now before I get to the unboxing, let me tell y'all that my original plan for this video was meant to include the 2023 push-along Crystal Thomas, made to coincide with Mystery of Lookout Mountain, which is the reboot's recent special. Unfortunately, well, before I get to the bad part, I did find it at Walmart, and I thought they might be on sale. So I got it, put it in a cart, and as we cash it in, it wouldn't accept the item. Now, the reason for that is because for some strange or dumb reason, it wasn't in their system, despite the fact that it was on their shelf. But I was really upset that day. But never fear, I may not have gotten a Crystal Thomas, but I did get something even better. And as a replacement, ladies and gentlemen, the 2023 All Engines Go Talking Diesel. Yes, you heard me correctly. I recently just got this version of Diesel today. Well, last night actually. It was the only one I found at Walmart. Oh, Target. Sorry. Sometimes I just get the stores mixed up. But anyways, I did find this at Target. It was the only one there, along with the Talking Percy, which I already owned and showed you. But now, I got another talking engine, which is, again, Diesel. Now this talking engine pack comes with a talking confetti diesel, a yellow box car with a top hat, and a red flatbed with pipes. And there's even some confetti on Diesel's face. Who for some reason isn't bothered by all this? Here's the back. He can talk to other engines like Thomas, Percy, and Nia, and he can talk with the 2021 talking engines as well. Now enough chat, and let's get to the unboxing. And what do you know, I got them out. And I didn't even have to tear the packaging. I'm not going to even bother getting the instructions out because I already know what to do, just in case something like this, just in case some errors happen. Besides, I already got one of I already got one of those instructions. So again, I don't need to be bothered. I had to get diesel free. And there we go. Diesel is free. This is the talking confetti diesel. He has some confetti on his face. Confetti on both sides. There's more confetti on this side than they're on this side. A yellow buffer beam, running board, and yellow wheels. Up is the yellow boxcar, utility van, whatever it was called. But yeah, this is the boxcar. And let me tell you, it's awesome. It even has their Tom hat. Even has their Tom hat inside. And lastly, the red flatbed with pipes. Yeah, these pipes can be removable. See? Yeah, pity that the buffers weren't painted. Then again, it was done for budget reasons. Pretty much the same case with all the other Trackmaster 2/Motorized engines. Although there are some exceptions. And like all the other motorized all engines go engines, he came with this long back coupling. Again, I find this very annoying, and so I managed to try and replace them with shorter ones to make it more accurate. Well, both accurate and realistic. Yep. And he works. See? This diesel can talk to the other engines too. Both the reboot and original.
Here comes
Oh yeah, I think that'll be it on the 2023 Motorized Talking Diesel. I believe I may or may not be the first person to do an unboxing video of this toy. Correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hope to see you in future videos. So as always, bye for now.